Hello everyone. Welcome to Learnaholic India. Today we are going to learn super keyword in Java. The super keyword in Java is a reference variable which is used to refer immediate parent class object. The topics that we are going to learn in today's session are: what is super keyword in Java? Use of super with variables. Use of super with methods and use of super with constructors. So without wasting time, let's start with today's session. First of all, the question arises, what is super keyword in Java? The super keyword refers to superclass, that is parent class objects. It is used to call superclass methods and to access the superclass constructor. The most common use of the super keyword is to eliminate the confusion between superclasses and subclasses that have methods with the same name. To understand the super keyword, one should have a basic understanding of inheritance and polymorphism. Super is majorly used in the context such as super keyword with variables, super keyword with methods, and super keyword with constructors. Let's see each one of them. First is use of super with variables. This scenario occurs when a derived class and base class has same data members. In that case, there is a possibility of ambiguity for the JVM. We can understand it more clearly using this code snippet. In the above example, both base class and subclass have a member maxSpeed. We could access maxSpeed of base class in subclass using super keyword. Second is use of super with methods. This is used when we want to call parent class method. So whenever a parent and child class have same named methods, then to resolve ambiguity we use super keyword. This code snippet helps to understand the said usage of super keyword. In the above example, we have seen that if we only call method message, then the current class message is invoked, but with the use of super keyword, method message of superclass could also be invoked. Third is use of super with constructors. Super keyword can also be used to access the parent class constructor. One more important thing is that super can call both parametric as well as non-parametric constructors depending upon the situation. Following is the code snippet to explain the above concept. In the above example, we have called the superclass constructor using keyword super via subclass constructor. Now we will see some important points to remember. 1. Call to super must be first statement in derived student class constructor. 2. If a constructor does not explicitly invoke a superclass constructor, the Java compiler automatically inserts a call to the no-argument constructor of the superclass. If the superclass does not have a no-argument constructor, you will get a compile time error. Object does have such a constructor, so if object is the only superclass, there is no problem. 3. If a subclass constructor invokes a constructor of its superclass, either explicitly or implicitly, you might think that a whole chain of constructors called, all the way back to the constructor of object. This, in fact, is the case. It is called constructor chaining. Thank you for watching today's session. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe to Learnaholic India and don't forget to click on the bell icon for the latest video updates. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Social media links are given in the description below. If you like today's video, then like it, share with your friends. If you have any query, then please comment below. That's it for today. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.